welcome back to Metals, Money, and Markets. We're September 28th from MiningClips.com. I'm Rob Goodman. As always, the Mercenary Geologist Mickey Fulp will run us through the numbers. A Fed raise, dollar up. Let's head over to the metals. Mickey, mixed bag here where gold tried to recover today, but still off for the week.
Rob, with a Fed rate increase, low inflation numbers today, a stronger U.S. dollar leads to lower gold. I think it's oversold, but it closed the week at 11.91, and that was actually up $7 today. Yesterday closed at 11.84, testing that low it made in the middle of the summer, late summer. Anyway, 11.91 down 0.7%. Silver had a big run up, 14.61, up 2.5%. Platinum was down at 8.14, down $8, and palladium is on quite a tear here at 11.69, up 2% on the week.
And copper gave back a penny.
Yeah, copper's acting very weird right now. I don't really know why. Well, I do know why, but with strong fundamentals, very low inventories worldwide, Chinese imports at record levels. But really what it is, it's market specs are massively short because of the so-called trade wars. And it's in 7-month backwardation, so closed at 281, as you said, down a penny. This is in the face of very strong metal prices. Zinc at a 7-week high today. Steel, aluminum, both doing very well. Palladium, another industrial metal, doing very well. You could say that maybe it was some third quarter book squaring, but it looks to me like the shorts are going to get handed their shorts at some time in the near future.
Head over to the energy markets. Trump had some pretty strong words towards OPEC, but oil presses on.
Yeah, oil's closed at 73.47. We haven't seen this since the end of June when it was a bit above $74. That's a 4% gain. And really this has to be the specs driving this market. I saw a couple of analyst reports today calling for $100 Brent. This is in the face of record U.S. production, up another 100,000 barrels to 11.1 million barrels per day. Rigs were basically flat, +1. Inventories actually gained 2 million this week. Really is about Iran and Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia increasing production. Iran sanctions taking hold. Sinopec, the giant Chinese oil company, says they're going to drastically cut their imports of Iranian oil. So U.S. sanctions are having effects way across the board. Meanwhile, we got some news today. A Permian pipeline bottleneck looks like it should be done by the end of next year. And ExxonMobil is going ahead with a $500 million refinery upgrade at Beaumont for specifically to process light crude oil from the Permian Basin.
And uranium squeezes out a 12-cent gain here.
Yeah, uranium really has hit the pause button over the last 3 weeks in this 27.50 range. But let's look at where it is since mid-April, up 35%. People are interested in my detailed take on uranium. We posted Mercenary Musings Radio on Kiko. It was posted this morning, and it's probably about a 12-minute interview. Up-to-date look at the uranium market and some predictions for the midterm future.
Shifting gears to currencies, big week for the dollar, and surprisingly the loonie hung in there.
Yeah, the dollar was stronger on all of the above. Fed rate increase, low inflation, etc. Euro has problems with the Italians. They've ignored recommendations, have gone on with a very big budget deficit. Looney's flat. Still holding out for Quebec milk farmers, I guess. Dollar ended up a point, 95.14. Euro, 116 and change, down 1%. And finally, Looney flat at 77.43.
And finishing up with these equities markets here, mostly red. The Nasdaq survived, I guess.
Yeah, Dow was off 1.5%, but look where it is, 26,458. It's just off 300 points off its record high. S&P 500 lost 16 points, closed at 2914. Meanwhile, Nasdaq, in the face of Elon Musk problems at Tesla and Facebook getting massively hacked, both of those down significantly today, closed at 80.46 for a 0.7% gain. I looked at the VIX today, and it's basically flatlined since May. It's about 12.5.
And wrapping up with the venture exchange here, red this week. Still holding on to 700 though.
Yeah, I was at 698 yesterday, but it goes in the dumpster with lower gold prices. Closed at 709, down 1.5%. For free email subscribers, look in your email box right now. We posted a interesting musing on gold and Toronto Venture Exchange ratios since its inception 17 years ago. And I think you will be surprised how intertwined these two metrics are.
Okay, Mickey, we'll look forward to that, and appreciate the insight as always. Have a great weekend, and we'll catch you next Friday.
Thanks a lot, Rob.